Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to set up a payment method on Wix. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to wix.com, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, click on the All Sites button here and click on Go to All Sites. After you click here, you'll be navigated to this page where you'll have to click on Select and Edit Site. Now after you click on Select and Edit Site, you'll be on this page. On this page, you'll have to select Settings option from the left corner of your screen and you will see a list of options. From these, you'll have to just select Accept Payments. When you click on Accept Payments, it is going to open up another page where you can choose your preferred payment method. So make sure your location is set to the country where you want your payment to be available. After you do this, you will see all the payment options available in that specific country. So we have PayPal, Razorpay, AirPay, PayU India, Nimble, EaseBuzz, cash-free payments and manual payments. You can click on See More Payment Options and choose another payment if you wish. Now, in order to set up any one of these, just click on the Connect button after that payment. Now, you will see the instructions to connect that specific payment method to your Wix account. Here we can see it says to connect your PayPal account, we'll have to enter our PayPal account email in the form below. Click on Connect, follow the instructions and click on Login. And after that, our PayPal account will be connected to Wix account. So scroll down, navigate to the account information page. Here, enter your email address, click on Connect. Now after you click on Connect, it is going to open up the PayPal page where you'll have to enter your PayPal credentials. And after you enter your credentials and click on Connect, you would have successfully connected a payment method, that is PayPal in our case, to our Wix. Now, if you want to change it, just navigate to Accept Payments again. Choose another payment method here. As you can see, I have connected my PayPal account to my Wix. So we'll scroll down and choose another payment method. For example, this is manual payment. If you want to accept cash or other custom forms of payment, you'll have to click on Connect just after the manual payments method and enter the manual payment option such as cash payment, offline payment or cash on delivery. Now let your customers know how to pay by adding instructions to this field and click on Connect. After you click on Connect, you would have successfully set up a manual payment method for your Wix. So the simple method to set up payments is navigating to Settings on your Wix, navigating to Accept Payments and choose your desired payment method, click on Connect. You would have successfully set up a payment method on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.